Now we will introduce the natural log function. Remember back from section 5.1, there was the natural exponential function, f of x equals e to the x. And we know from the graph that this graph is 1 to 1 because it passes the horizontal line test, and therefore it has an inverse function. The inverse function of this natural exponential function is the natural log function. So that is read as ln x, the natural log of x. And that's the same as log base e of x. But instead of writing log base e, we just write ln of x. So the graph of the natural log function is a reflection of f of x equals e to the x over the line y equals x. And we can do some quick connections. So remember, if I tell you that e to the 0 equals 1, that is the equivalent of saying log base e of 1 equals 0. But instead of writing log base e of 1, we'll say ln of 1 equals 0. I can also tell you, for example, that e to the negative 1 equals 1 over e. In logarithmic form, that's log base e of 1 over e equals negative 1. But instead of writing log base e, we would just say ln of 1 over e equals negative 1. So it's very, very important that you remember that log base e of x is just written as ln of x.